As you might have seen an article of Panchamkar, 5 M's, Matsya, Mudra, Maithun, etc. They are all meaning high things. And the surface value is very bad. One who knows the key will get the things out of it. Dharma has no equivalent in English. What is dharma? And we are still animals. And the urge for being above animality is dharma. Am I correct? So, from man as a creature to be having a spiritual state of higher achievement is what is meant by dharma. How to define it? A saint has defined it as यतोभ्युदय निःश्रेयस सिद्धि स धर्म. अभ्युदय निःश्रेयस सिद्धि. It is from Vaisheshik Darshan, philosophy. So, the meaning is where from we get abhyudaya, worldly advancement. Worldly advancement. And Nishreyasa means spiritual attainment. Which leads to two of them is dharma. Only the spiritual aspect.
So means dharma is there, is where from where you get the birth, and you can even make it short and say like psycho, spiritual,
physical aspect we have left.
Physical and psycho-spiritual aspect. Moksha is purely spiritual. No?
Yes.
This is on the vritti, no?
Yes.
Dharma is also
Yes. So, this definition says takes worldly advancement and upon that to build that spiritual attainment. And is there any definition from our fold? Pranidhanancha dharma. It is from Ananda Sutra. Should I write?
Yes.
It is there. You find it out. Write down.
It means wherever people writing notes, which came from Shishananda.
That's that of Anand Murti. And other 2, 3, 4 were from Pyar Sarkar. As the president of Anand Marg Pracharak Sangh, as president of Virinasa Universal, and so on.
But the different.
Brihadeshana is longing for the great. Eshana means longing. Brihad means great. Great in the sense there is no greater than him. Therefore, it is great. Brihadeshana and Pranidhanam, placing yourself, your self in that supreme self. These two make dharma. Brihadeshana may be defined as it is a natural urge in humanity to be great. You always want to expand. To be great is the innermost urge of humanity. So the innermost urge is dharma. And the practical aspect of it is to merge yourself in the greater self. That is, the two combined make dharma. And this is not a sect. This is just widely a principle. There are so many ways for attending the Brihadeshana and so many thoughts of prayers to say that you are having that ideation of the great. Actually, you are praying and you think you are worshipping. Prayers and worships are not the same. Prayers, my grandson, today I had a talk with him. Today also he reminded me, chocolate, don't forget chocolate. So, what does he want? He wants chocolate. Not me. From me, he wants chocolate. So, if you want something from God, if you are praying God, oh God, give me this, give me that, you are not praying God, you are praying the things you want from Him. So prayers have been out of our fold. Anand Sutram defines Nastuti Bhakti. What is Bhakti? Bhakti Bhagavato Bhava. Nastuti na archana. No praising and no prayers. Praising is not bhakti. So, dharma should be very rightly understood, quite in difference with the general notions of sectarian ideas, as a vast number of followers and he forms a sect according to his views. So the views are beliefs. They are not dharma. What is dharma? Is brihadeshana and pranidhana. And the thoughts of beliefs of the sects are not really dharma. They form a sect. In the course of discussion with Mihidas ji, acceptance regarding this, I said, I have no acceptance. What I know, I say. I say only what I know. No superimpositions. How it is? Yes, it is like that. I have been trained like that. In Anand Marg, I am trained to say that I have no beliefs. I will say what I know. And the one word is there, mata. Mata is what you have accepted for yourself as binding. Mind has its own way of thinking, but when it circumscribes a thought for it, it is called mata. Acceptances, they are not dharma. Beliefs are your private thinking. And to rise above them and have the attraction of the Supreme and merger with it is dharma. Then there are sampradaya. Sampradaya means faiths. Faiths. Yes. There are, the better term should be school. Schools of thought. Sampradaya. Schools of thought. So this is a nice thing. You have propounded some theories. You are having experiments on some subjects. Now you have formed a school for research. What is wrong in it? There is no wrong in it. So to have faith is not wrong, not bad. But when it becomes bad, when you are limited to that and say others are fools, others are wrong.
Intolerance.
Yes. And become violent to others, then it becomes.
So what we have here is this a sampradaya. What we have here now, we experiment with
Yes, yes,
our
yes.
sadhana.
Yes, you are seeing what people are doing, fighting, killing.
So we think they're fools.
Of course. Yeah.
But it has nothing to do with this.
Yes. You see, there is another item, religion. What forms a religion?
Dogmas.
One, first point is there is an originator, propounder, Muhammad, Jesus, Buddha, Shiva.
It's not a Shiva.
No. There is no limitation in the thoughts of Shiva. It's open for all. So, the one thing is the propounder. The second thing is to have a book, scripture. Third is the special way of worship. Special way of worship. And most important of them is the fourth, which is to say others are wrong.
Christianity, by the way, they declare that not it's true.
This is the
Even
fourth.
though the Ramon can go to it.
Yes. As Muslims have their own faith, religion, and they say others have no say. They can't get Allah. Yes, salvation is not for them, as the Christians say.
But who is then from Hindus? Who is then the propounder of Hinduism? Because Hindus are the religion, is of their
No.
scriptures?
There is no one scripture.
There are many scriptures.
So many widely circulated.
It's even worse.
And everyone has its own say, free to say.
No copyright.
Hinduism is not religion.
No, not a religion.
Hinduism.
Yes. There is no special way of worship. I have my way of sadhana, my son has is another way of sadhana. He can't go in his sadhana without
Bottle.
without a bottle.
Without a bottle.
He does not obey his father. He is not supposed to obey his father. Because he has his son, so his son will not obey him. He clearly said, slain the non-believers.
The
And I say, put the same thing in another way. In India, they have much regard for Alpasankyak Sanrakshan, that is reservation for the minorities. So, because the Muslims are in minority, so they should be taken care of to provide protection in services and in loans. There is special cell for their loan. 100,000 of rupees they are given as loan, never to return. So, and they are very good people. The Muslims, I say, they are very good people. Though sarcastically, they are very good people. But among them, there is a minority which is Ugravadi. What do you call it? Terrorists. So they are also in minority. So the Muslims always protect them. Advance to the general Muslims, go to the terrorists. Yes.
The government knows it?
Oh, government knows what government has to get votes from them.
Yeah.
So, that is religion. The religion means the aims and objects of their propounder, the high thinking behind the prevalence of that faith goes. And only the surface value is taken. Whereas the sampradaya, as it is called, are not bad. They are to protect the ways of research of a particular sect, ideas.
Also, there is a propounder, it can be,
Maybe,
because somebody made the experiment, he said, now I'm making a school, so he's the first one, he's the propounder.
yes.
Also,
But then the researchers will be free to research. And in the sectarian field, they will not have any say. If anybody says something against Islam, new aspect of Islam, he will be done with. Outsiders of their faith to enter their temples. Buddhists. And, my dear, please excuse me, your Charyacharya describes that others who are not initiated may come to your DC, but they shall not have any right to question. Do you remember? Have you read it in Charyacharya?
No.
It is written. Chapter of DC. They assembled in their Dharma Chakra DC once a week. So they were all, mostly they were my students. Some one or two were of my age. So once I went in their DC, the method was having some songs, then sadhana, and then discourses, swadhyaya. And what the way of swadhyaya was to read his books. So by reading the books, one does not understand the books. So it so occurred to one of them, well, he is there, ask him to explain it. So I was asked, I explained things. So they caught me, you shall have to come every week. So I used to go. One day, after their DC, he asked Jiloka. Jiloka is Gopi Jiloka. He asked him, why did you allow him? Why? He is not of our faith. Jiloka said, but he is a sadhak. But he is not of our faith. What of that? In the way he reveals the things, they are all of our faith. Because the spiritual things are as yours, so ours. The same scriptures were with them, Gita, Upanishad, and all that. So, no, he should not have been allowed. I say, who are you to say? Who are you to dictate us? We have come from Patna, so you will dictate us. Next day he told me, it was so quarrel with me. I have thrown him out. You may not be coming, but he will be coming. This is sectarian view. And don't allow others to discuss our things. They have every right to come. Now in America and this Finland, there's Gopal and Saraswati, they had come for their class in Katihar class.
Last year.
Last year or year before last year. Year before last year. Now we are in
2004.
2004. In 2 they had come.
2002, yeah.
2. So they said they have barriers for us. They have asked us not to come to disease. What is this attitude? This is not dharma. This is not brihadeshana and pranidhanam. Everybody has the right to do.
If somebody...
And the aim is to merge your mind in the greater mind.
And this is what in Praja we should
Do? Yes.
do, bring the person to that.
Yes, of
This
course.
was a misconception because before we all told to Prachar and bring people to Anand Marg.
Yes. Vishwarupa. The Anand Marg and Anand Marg Pracharak Sangh,
Two different things.
Yes. Two different things.
2 different ideas.
And one is philosophy.
Yes.
And
And what is Anand Marg? Marg means way. What is the way? Way means there should be 2 points. One to start with and the other to reach. So Anand Marg is from Mooladhar to Sahasrar. In whatever way you walk, You shall have to walk through this passage. You go Christian way or Muslim way or any way. If you are going in spirituality, you will have to traverse this way.
I was told from one very old monk in America that there are some in America
Why-
they are still
why
Christian
not?
priests because they
They have every right
yes.
to get it. And don't expect them to come to enroll as Anand Margi. I asked her, now have you become Anand Margi? This was a sarcastic question. Nobody in the course of initiation tells you to call yourself now you are Anand Margi. No. You are a man or a woman. That should be your introduction. You see, very near future, you may be by some authority of the structure, so-called structure, you may be asked, you are disqualified. For what?
To give money.
That means you are not to attend any DC. Then what will you do?
Make our own GC.
We do our best.
Yes. If there are 10, you make 100. If there are 10, you make 100. They will have only 1 or 2 to make initiation, and you are 20 to make initiations, and every 20 will bring 20. Dharma is Brihadeshana Pranidhana. And religions make negation of dharma. What he tells with full logic. So people go to him, and I asked Shraddhananji, our PP, he had been to my place for a month or like that for his treatment, piles. So I asked him, have you read? The common is Sarvam Khalu Idam Brahma. They are all pieces of Vedanta. Sarvam Khalu. Should I write down?
Yes, yes, please. That's me.
Sarvam Brahma.
Everything is done.
Can you read the last one?
Full of Brahma. So there in the pranayama you shall have this ideation, and in the antas pranayama, as I have said, there is, this is purely a lesson in Visheshya, and there is no harm giving it to you. It's very simple.
And it's done with simple pranayama.
This is not pranayama. It is wrongly named antas pranayama. It should be antas ayam. The writer told me, I am not a scholar in Sanskrit. So what it occurred to me, I have written. It should be antas aya. The communication of your mental eye, your eye with cosmic eye, silently. And there is no harm if you begin with this lesson. This is just your breathing and having the ideation. We explained. Nobody can explain you, but the one thing can be explained, and it is withdrawal. The very withdrawal is your concentration. Your mind is distracted in the varieties of objective. And when you are withdrawing, you automatically, what are you doing? You are concentrating, focusing at a point. So have that idea, very clear idea, that you are having fun, you are finding difficulty in withdrawal. So that practice will do it.
I have one question.
Yes, Bihar Military Police Headquarters, Katihar. And there were plenty sadhakas there, all policemen. A policeman was brought for initiation. He got his initiation after the DC. And I usually, as I asked him to meditate with us. So all joined, and the moment I go, I am alone. And of course in his language, there is nothing around me. And this. So it was so violent. For 1 hour we were very tightly fighting to control him. After all, with much difficulty, he was calmed down. Then they took him to the barrack, police barrack. There also when he got again he got fire, so all officers came. The best thing was that the commandant of that force was also a sadhak. So I was spared. Otherwise they would have got me. What wrong have I done? And I was acharya of that commandant. The commandant was a very license-free man, as the police officers are. So, in 1957, there was a DMC in Katihar. He was the commandant, and there were 7 acharyas under his command in the BMP.
Police.
So they were asked by him, Baba should stay with me. So we just get permission from Guptaji, myself, and they implored me. He is our officer, he wants, and he is a good sadhak. Of course, he is a good sadhak. So I said, as you like, but have an alternative arrangement. So, at night at 11, the train came. I took about 100 Margis and went where they were to have their night sleeping place. And Gurudev and his 2 or 3 men were escorted to SP's Bangalore, Commandant Bangalore. As he stepped, first step he put, and he saw like this, as they reported to me. The people said, "Chala jai, please come, please come." Then I got in, and in the drawing room, he saw the sofa where he was to sit, and had some thoughts before sitting. And as he thought, he jumped. "Where have you brought me? Where is Indradev?" They said, "He is gone." He did not see me and he fled. Stupid boy. And boys are to be stupid, no doubt. So, there was much commotion there. The alternative was shown to his AD. He approved it, then they went there. All lights were put off, and so many relatives of that commandant had come for this conference, DMC. They were all sadhaks. So in the morning, he was given 2 minutes time. He wept like anything. Wept 11:30 or 12. 5 of the acharyas came to my place. "What is the matter?" Such and such is the story. Now, what to feed him? Stupids. You are all family men, and what to feed him? Well, yes, I have kept. My wife said, "Yes, I have his food." And for me, it was sukhi roti, dry bread, and very boiled vegetables. So she packed and sent. In the morning, she was thanked. He said, I have not eaten in any DMC because feed me so much. Like to feed me much and richer food. The simple food is not served to him. Anyhow. So the next morning he was given time. He went to see and wept for 2 minutes. But 2 minutes was very lengthy 2 minutes. He wept much. And she had to stop weeping, then he will leave. So in the middle he asked, "Who is your Acharya?" He named him Arun Kumar Majumdar. You're damn fool. He's a Bengali gentleman. Did he speak you in Hindi, halfway Hindi, half Bengali? Did you follow him? He said, very honestly, he said, no. And the initiation was complete. He understood nothing. And he was SP to held the rank of SP, Superintendent of Police. So high placed officer does not mean that he is a high placed sadhak also. And Gurudev should stay with him. But then he was told, you, after 2 days, you contact Indradev, have your first and second lesson from him. And the further course should I say? 6 months before that, it so happened that when he came from office at night, he was half drunk. He was half drunk. That half was to be filled. So he asked his bearer to open the chamber and bring 1 bottle. He was not hearing him. He went to the cupboard and was standing there. Why don't you bring it? He was silent. Because he knew that there is no water. There were 6 of them, and his wife threw them in the toilet. So he slapped the bearer, opened the closet himself and found there is none. So his wife came and slapped him. Why have you slapped him? I have thrown water to you to save me. Oh, you have thrown them? Yes. The police officer could not slap his wife. And the wife was very right in slapping him because he was half drunk. So he then issued a slip and asked the bearer to go to the shop, get it opened and bring 6 more. He could not drink 6. That gentleman, after 6 months of that DMC, asked me, I am going home. He belonged to Buxar. So he said, I am going home. Will you accompany me? What for? For Dharma Prachar? Oh yes. That place was under my control in RSS. So I was well body and mind. There are requirements of the body and there are requirements of mind. So the body requires finite things. The requirements of the body are finite things. And the mind is in search of the infinite.
Right.
So make the 2 ends meet. You have to have this body, business of the body. And you must have the requirement of the mind to meet. There comes that meditation.
Okay.
So let us meditate. Write down. The Mooladhara Chakra, the practice of third lesson, you will observe these sounds. They are, one is lung as the seed of that chakra, Muladhara chakra. And on the four sides of the chakra, that lung will be in the middle. On the four sides, they will be from top, Va, Shra, Shra, and Sa.
Das ist bereits wichtig.
Relation between a sound and an alphabet. Alphabets are the symbols of sounds. They are not real sounds, but they indicate sound. And now the fun is, a sound can be represented by innumerable signs. The sound is A and letters are thousands. In every script, it is to be found. So scripts are symbols only. What you are concerned with are the sounds, not the letters. In the chart you will find 2 letters or 3 letters for one sound. And in the introduction, it has been written that they are letters. They are not letters. So the best way is to acquaint yourself with the Indian style of alphabets. They are arranged according to the places of their pronunciation and phonetically well placed. So I like to give you a rehearsal, all of you. You will follow me. First, the vowels. They are 16, and this poor English language has only 5 vowels, and very stupidly, one vowel is pronounced as many other vowels as they are. P-U-T,
Noch ein.
put, B-U-T, but. U stands for both of them. And funnily, out of fun, I asked students, can you name a vowel in English which is not pronounced as O? And the poor letter is A. A is not pronounced as O. And all other vowels are pronounced as O. S-I-R, Chaitanya, S-I-R, Sir, Sir, S-I-R, Sir, and H-U-T, Hut. This I and U, they are both pronounced as O. So, we will better acquaint ourselves with the sounds. It is, in the vowels, there are short and long. The first five are short and long. So they will make 10. A, just the double time it takes. A, I, I, U, These are the 5 short and long.
Why is re a vowel?
It is mother of ra. Ra consonant. That is all the 14 with a nasal accent. In. So they are called answar, nasal. And nasal is not one. It may be all 14 plus 14.
20.
Then there is visarga, the aha. H without A. In Roman, it may be written as H without A. So, these are the vowels. How many? 16.
60.
Really, it should be said 14 plus 14 plus 1, 29. Then,
But they here they represent also some kind.
but all the letters have relations with animals. All. Because they are expression of their sanskara. In the so many previous lives they have come. Yes. So now 5 letters which are pronounced from the throat. They are ka,
Ka,
kha,
Ka,
ga,
Ga,
gha,
Gha,
nga.
Anga,
The 5th is a nasal sound. Ka, kha.
Ka,
Kha is not 2. K-H-A, not K-H-A. It is 1. Kha. Ka,
Ga,
kha,
Ka,
gha,
Ga,
nga.
Anga,
Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga.
Ga, Kha, Ga, Gha, Anga,
Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga.
Ga, Kha, Ga, Gha, Anga,
Nga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga.
Ga, Kha, Ga, Gha, Anga.
This is independent. Then the second one is we are coming out from the throat. Jihva, tongue. Cha,
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 ja,
Ja,
ja.
Ja,
Fifth one, nasal, nya.
Nya.
Cha, cha, ja, ja, ya.
Cha cha ja cha ya.
Cha, cha, ja, ja, ya.
Cha cha ja cha ya.
Cha, cha, ja, ja, ya.
Cha cha ja cha ya.
Then the palate. Ta,
Ta
ta,
ta
ta,
ta
da,
da
da.
da
Fifth, nasal, na.
da.
The tongue will be
Up.
up. Ta, ta, da, da, na.
Da 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 da.
Ta, ta, da, da, na.
Da 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 ya.
Poor English has to console itself.
Is one of them.
Then ta,
Ta
ta,
ta
tha,
ta
da,
da
dha,
da
na.
na.
No is nasal. Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Da 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 na.
This is not in English. T-O, two.
No.
Da, ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Da da
Then,
da da.
then from the lips, we are gradually going out. Pa,
Pa
pa,
pa
ba,
ba
bha,
bha
ma.
ma.
Then ya
Ya
comes out of I. E. E brings ya. Re brings ra. Lri brings love. And U brings va. Va. So the order in the alphabet is something different, but we should change it. Ya, ra,
Ya.
ya, ya,
ya
ra,
ra
va,
va
la,
la
ya,
ya
ra,
ra
va,
va
la,
la
ya, ra,
ya
va, la,
va la
ya, ra, va, la.
ya ra va la.
Why not ya, ra, la, va? It is just your practical experience. As seed of the chakra, the lowest has a lung, not one. So, the lowest should be, the last should be lung, love.
So you want us to change it now?
Yes, of course.
Vritti should be changed.
No, vritti should be, will be the
Then don't
same.
change it.
It is like that. It is like that. The lowest is lung, then wang, then
Yeah. The last three ones? Short, short, short.
they have been practiced.
Sha
Sha, sha, sa, and then ha. Ha. Ha is the
Das eine
last.
steht unten an, das andere
This
steht oben,
ha.
das liegt an den Zähnen.
And to express them in Roman, every letter is having A with it. All consonants are written with A. How will you determine a sound with this chart, because as letters you will find this A there. So for the East Chakra, remember the sounds, the lower three are shifted to upper three. Lower three, Muladhara, Swadhisthana and Manipur are shifted upwards.
What do you mean?
Yes. For determination of East Chakra are decided. You practice first Ishwar Pranidhan. You may practice at Agnya Chakra or other East Chakra. The determination of other East Chakra is on the basis of these sounds. They are located in the name.
It is based on the name of a person.
First sound of your name, of your Sanskrit name. And if one is not desirous of having a Sanskrit name, his old name can do. There is no harm.
The Sanskrit name is in connection with chakra. With Ishta chakra.
Yes, chakras are determined on the basis of the letters of the chakra name.
By the first letter of the first
The sounds.
Cha.
Cha, I.
Cha.
Chaitanya. There are two sounds. Cha, I. So the first letter will decide the East Chakra.
Can you write it down?
All the vowels here. All the vowels. So if it is Alicia, the first sound is A. So the East Chakra will be Vishuddha. Anjali. Anjali. The first sound is Yes. Vowel. Then this fixed for all vowels. Or to Ang. And no name begins with A. Anjali is Anuswar. Anjali. Ang.
What about Pra? Is that Ra?
Pra. P. R. Pra. It is a joint sound. P and R. What is the first?
P.
P. Where is it is placed? In Manipur. So I am coming from above. This is for vowels. And there are 16 here. And for your names, there will be 15 only. That 15 will make 28. Now here, down, Anahat. Anahat is having 12 letters, 12 sounds. Begins with Ka and ends at tha, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Nga does not, has no name to begin with. Then cha, cha, ja, ja, ya. No name begins with ya. Then ta, tha. So how many letters? How many sounds? 4 plus 4 plus 2.
10.
10.
There's also cha,
Chaitanya. Cha. Yes. Oh, you have found your.
Ishta chakra.
So,
meditation on here.
Ishta chakra.
Ishta chakra will be here.
Would be.
No.
Don't
I,
do
some of you have said to me that is very beautiful for me. So, should I practice at the way? Why not? If it is for all, why it is not for you? Then
This is also higher chakra.
10 for here. And then the lower chakras are not prescribed for
Ishta
Ishta
chakra.
East chakra, not to meditate at the lower chakras. So they shall have to be shifted to somewhere. The Manipur sounds are da, da, ta, ta is finished. Now they will come da, da, ra, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pa. They are shifted to at the tip of the nose. At the tip of the
Nose.
nose.
Why on the tip of the nose?
Where?
Because it is a chakra there.
Yes,
Chakra there also? Yeah.
there are
Chakras.
in other tantras,
So this
mantras, the East chakra is at the tip of the tongue.
order?
Yes.
Okay.
Here we have at the tip of the nose. And then the other two,
So this sound will go to
so Agya chakra.
and Muladhara.
Yes.
They both will go to will go.
So this decides Agya chakra. It seems it has a science. Suppose the best science is that one chakra, Agya chakra, is for all.
So, Anahata is shifted or not?
No.
Anahata is not shifted.
No.
Anahata?
Only lower. Manipur and lower.
So my third chakra is here.
Yes.
But I meditate.
Two. Yes.
It's good. So higher.
Higher you go, cooler you feel. So this higher is always good. Then East mantra. The second, 2 horses to ride. You have 2 cars.
You can choose. Is that right? I see.
As if you comfortable.
Yes.
We like heart problems, for instance.
Yes.
Heart
If you have heart problem, then you must practice here.
Or maybe some.
Yes.
love.
It is no harm. The thing is what impression is on your mind. So the second
One question more.
is that point at your Ishta chakra.
Oh, it's John.
From
So
outside.
this is a Dravidi pranayam.
Mm.
Better to practice here.
Mhm.
Mantra mantra is determined by the second sound. So, not the letters as written in Roman. The second sound you will. So, for example, Chaitanya, very good. You have no objection
No, no,
in
no.
using your name?
No, thank you very much for
So Chaitanya is a compound sound, two sounds. One is consonant, cha, and a vowel, I. So cha will decide Ishta Chakra and I will decide Ishta Mantra. Kalki. The name is the Karuna, Kalki. The first sound is Ka, and the second sound is Ra, La. Is there any sound in between? Yes, there is. But you can pass on. It is A. And no consonant is pronounced without a vowel. So, Kalki means Ka, A, La. Ka, A. As a second sound in the name does not decide the Ishta Mantra. Except all vowel consonants will decide. As in Prabhata. The sounds are pra, pa, ra. There is no o. So it is joined with ra, and ra is joined with a. Pra. O is clearly audible. Pra. What is the last sound? Pra. Pra. Any other name?
Vishnu.
Yes. So I will be demonstrating this all. So Vishwa, hear me. Vishwa, is there the last sound is O? Chaitanya, O. Vishwa, there is O. But the Ishta Mantra is decided on the basis of the second sound. Pra. O is final, but the second is Ra.
Understood.
So it seems that
O is only the helping sound.
Tanmaya. Ta is full. Ta. Ta is a compound. Ta, ta, and A. Ta.
Means the
And
A is the first, second.
No,
No?
this second A
It's the helping
will
sound.
not be
Given.
given any credit. This will not be credited. So the second, then the next will be
No.
now. So now will decide your Ishta Mantra.
Konsonanten. Haben keinen Ton.
Na, the, ra, a, indra. The last is a. The second is no.
No.
Chandra. Cha, a, no.
No.
Oh, omit this o. Then the next is cha.
Not Chandra. Chandra.
Chandra.
Chandra, not Chandra.
No, not cha.
Chandra.
If it is Chandra, then cha, a. So a will decide. The first sound will decide the Ishta chakra, and the second will decide. Second, except this O, will decide the Ishta mantra. The first two sounds. Observe. Ob, b, boy half, then it is there.
There's another question.
Pranayam chakra, the third sound decides it. But for all practical purposes, the best way is to decide where the physical demand is. If you have a trouble in your digestive system, then pranayam is practiced from Manipur to here. So, pranayam you can best begin in the morning here. But if you have some chest trouble, lungs trouble, very good here, in the morning also. There's no harm. They are, after all, the relation with the physical body. So, if the physical body is having some trouble, they should be responded to. You can have, apart from meditation, Ishwar Pranidhan, you can focus your mind on the part having something wrong and have your Ishta mantra repeated there. Even at the feet also, there's no harm. You can have your breathing focused there with your Ishta mantra. At the feet, at the knees. The knees, I don't think any, you? Anybody else?
I have knee trouble like this. Knee trouble. Yes.
Yes.
The agent part.
Knee trouble. Yes.
Yes. So I can advise you some points. Not to write, just understand. One is having your attention drawn to the point penny and repeat your Ishta mantra there with
Ideas.
conjoining your breath.
Breathing.
Yes, breathing
Not
and
japa.
having it. Yes. One. The other is, if you have pain in one of the knees, then press the other knee at the same point. Kalki. It is for you.
Yeah, but my pain sometimes is inside the
So-
knees.
Where you cannot
From the
reach.
back.
Yes, in the back. So,
Applies to any pain in the body?
yes, anywhere. Suppose you are having pain here, press it here. Suppose you have a sprain here, press it here. The sprain will be all right.
And if you have pain in the heart,
Heart, the back. The heart point is, 3 points are for the heart best. One is, then again she is between the nipples.
Press here.
Between the nipples. This is one point. And in the line of the scapula.
Yes.
Scapula. Backbone.
Unter den Schulterblättern.
Besides the spine.
Beidseits der
Very-
Wirbelsäule auf der Höhe der
very
Schulterblätter,
useful.
am unteren Ende der Schulterblätter.
Remember, these are acupressure points or acupuncture points. In the acupuncture, it is required. The other day, a gentleman came for initiation with his wife. He was an acupuncturist. I asked him what is the difference between acupuncture and acupressure. For some seconds he was silent. Then I said, you require pinpoint accuracy. And I am a acupressor. Heart and lungs, pleura. That is this region. So, suppose a lady is not having
For headaches?
for headache, I will come. Better to ask Jayashree. Practical experience. So, the knee joint, I will stand to show. 5 elements, there are 5. So there are 5 pranayams. Ethereal pranayam practiced here. If you have troubles in the throat, you can have pranayam here. Vayavi pranayam, not placing your hands here. Simple pranayam with your ideation here.
without holding the breath, just normally breathe.
Yes. Vayavi will be here, ethereal here, luminous at the navel center, then Swadhisthana, then
The Ishta mantra.
with instrument.
We didn't say how to decide the Istamantra actually.
Wie dich?
No.
Ishtamantra.
Ishta mantra, ask your Guru. The best way. The chart may be with you, but it will be baffling for you. That I said. And now what do you want? Pronounced correctly. And that is the benefit in naming in Sanskrit.
Because in our
Then there let it be a question hour in the parliament.
Sunshine.
Huh? As will be closing this function after lunch, dip in the Ganges, for throwing them in the Ganges. Very hard nut. So his mother asked his father, "Don't you see what he is doing?" His father asked, "What are you doing?" "I am going to make them take their bath in the Ganges for eternal bath." Remove all the durit, means unwanted bad things in me, and bring all good flowers in me. It's very good. The idea is very good. But by repeating the mantra, what will you get?
Desire.
So, anyhow, there are thousands of mantras, about 2,500 mantras are in Yajurveda, and more than 1 lakh are in the Rig Veda. Very vast stock. So, if one is tempted to read them and think that he is having good sadhana, it is futile to think that. One gentleman, a expounder of the philosophy Arya Samaj, came to me for his treatment. And after he got the treatment, I was going for my bath. So he saw that I am not having the sacred thread over my body. So in the meantime, my father briefed him. So he called me. He was, say, 10 years or 15 years older than me. So he asked me, "You don't wear your sacred thread?" "No." "Why?" "That question should be put to you. Why should I be here? Tell me, why should I be here? I will be here." And he said, it comes from the Vedas. I asked him, where in the Vedas? "You also know the Vedas and I also know. Just tell me." So he gave one verse. "Is it from the Vedas?" Then he was perplexed. "I don't remember exactly where does it come from. I will tell you where it is coming." I told him. Then I said, it is useless to say it is from the Vedas or from that or source or that source. You tell me the benefit out of it. The purpose it should be born. Then I asked, what is the aim of human life? Say, yes, to join yourself with the Almighty, God, Paramatma, that accepted. Now will you please tell me if this sacred thread will help? No, it is meant for that. And this long tail, pigtail here, no, it is meant for the other purpose. Then your prayers, they are to purify the mind. Then your havan, that is for the general benefit of the society. Then what do you have for your aim of life? Then he said very calmly, determinedly, that is to be had from dhyana. Well, do you practice it? No, I didn't get anybody to teach me dhyana. Okay. One who can teach you dhyana, you are fighting with him for the sacred thread. My father also said he is going for his meditation. So if you like to have that dhyana, ask him just now, otherwise he will not be available. So the thing is, if I see what others are doing, I can decide whether what he is doing is better than me or not. My educational position is decidedly a bit higher. I a first-class student all through, very intensively searching right thing in every aspect. Before learning meditation in Anand Marg, I had a very good idea of the dhyan taught by Mihidas ji. I had a talk about him, Mihidas ji. He was also expounder of dhyan, meditation. But I asked him to initiate me. He said later. And in the meantime, I got it here at Munger. So, what they taught I know. What his grandfather, who recently died, he was also practicing dhyana in Shyamacharan Lahiri, son. That is known to me. And I am known of the other method of dhyana in Arvinda Ashram. The process of dhyana, as described in all these, are, so far this Ishwar Pranidhana is concerned, they are almost equal everywhere. Rajneesh, the same. It is very difficult to find out in each of them what is the exact position of their teachings, but one can know. Their followers come to me. So I am definite about it that ours is a far, far superior sadhana. And it comes, as I told you the other day, Satyanand or Nityanand, as the name was, he told me in 1956 or 57 that such a book is in the library of the Railway Institute, which contains, describes all the Nama Mantra 2 Vishesh Yoga, all lessons. I asked him, is it Guru Vakya or, oh yes, that is the book. So I had read and found nothing.
You found nothing?
Found nothing. You will not find anything in a book unless they are explained to you. Unless, At that time was not knowing Vishesh Yoga. I had read it in the book and for nothing. And when I learned Vishesh Yoga, then the book was irrelevant.
Irrelevant.
Irrelevant. Because I knew more than that.
And why do you think our meditation is very
Not
fast?
scientific.
Personal experience.
The thing is, how do you practice? The same thing practice in other ways will not bring fruit.
Will not bring fruit.
Fruit.
The same thing practiced in other ways.
Yes.
Have you tried?
What,
I came from the lower steps.
what type of samadhis did you experience?
You find the difference. Supriti told me just some minutes before that within 2 months she has such and such experience because she was allowed to have that experience. And for 30 years, Madhavi said, no, 35 years. We have been kept in dark. We are practicing and not knowing what we are practicing. So you have been superimposing yourself in your lessons. Now what I have said is remove that superimposition and get the things from your first principle. That will be your experience. So that samadhi will be your experience, not a matter of talk or letters in the book. As a teacher in the class, Sanskrit class, MA and BA, degree classes, they have some portions of Gita. And when I taught them, after I was getting out of the class, the students talked, very nicely explained, very clearly explained. I thought, I got it after so much of sadhana, and you want to get it in 1 minute class, 45 minutes class, you will get it. You can have the meaning, but not the experience of it. The experience requires your meditation and in right, earnest way, not that which has been said, given to you, but get your own way, put your own mind. I say, what I have been given should also be challenged, thought over, and good things evolve.